We will solve some two problems in departmental. This is the 27th problem in the series. Prepare departmental trading and PL account and the balance sheet. Opening stock on 1/1/18 they have given you separately for department 1 and 2, so it will come in trading account. Purchases of department 1 1,60,000 and department 2 1,40,000. Sales of department 1 3 lakh and department 2 2,80,000, so both will come in trading account. Carriage inward department 1 department 2 4,000 2,000 will come in trading account. Machinery 36,000 will come in balance sheet. Salary will come in PL. Rent will come in PL. Repairs to machinery will come in PL. Debtors and creditors will come in balance sheet. Capital will come in balance sheet. Cash in and balance sheet. Bills receivable and bills payable balance sheet. Drawings balance sheet. Buildings balance sheet. Adjustments. Closing stock on 31/12/18 department 1 1,40,000 and department 2 1,20,000. So they have given closing stock for department 1 and 2. It will come in trading account as well as balance sheet. Salaries are to be allocated in the ratio of 7:3. Allocated means it is to be distributed in 7:3. The value of machinery in department 1 is 20,000 and that of department 2 is 16,000. So this information will help you to distribute repairs. So the repairs have to be distributed in the ratio of 5:4. How you get 5:4? 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16. So therefore, as per adjustment number 3, the ratio will be 5:4. That's 20:16. If you simplify, you get 5:4. So this information 5:4 will help you to distribute repairs. Depreciate machinery at 10% and buildings at 5%. So machinery and building depreciation to be calculated on the value mentioned in the trial balance. So what is mentioned in the trial balance? That value, on that you should calculate depreciation. And they have not mentioned how depreciation has to be distributed, so distributed equally. Area of building is occupied by department 1 3/5, department 2 2/5. That means rent to be distributed in 3:2. So students, closing stock is given. Salary to be distributed in 7:3. The value of machinery department 1 20,000, department 2 16,000. If you simplify, you get ratio 5:4. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16. So the ratio will be 5:4. This will help you to distribute repairs on machinery. Depreciate machinery 10% and building 5% to be calculated on the value given in trial balance and distributed equally, and the rent to be distributed in 3:2. So students, take closing stock as it is, purchases as it is, carriage inward as it is, sales as given in the trial balance, and closing stock. Total 4,40,000 and 4 lakh. You get gross profit 1,56,000 and 1,68,000. Bring down that gross profit to the PL account. So we have salary distribute in 7:3 as mentioned in adjustment number 2. Rent distribute in 3:2 as mentioned in adjustment number 3. Repair distribute in 5:4 as mentioned in the adjustment. Depreciate machinery. Machinery you should take trial balance value 36,000 into 10%. You get 3,600 distributed equally because they have not mentioned any information about how to distribute. So take it 1:1, 1,800 and 1,800. Depreciate buildings. 60,000 is the value of building given in the trial balance into 5%. You get 6,000, 3,000. That you distribute in 1:1. And then you get a net profit of department 1 86,833, department 2 1,28,567, and the total profit is 2,15,400. Now balance sheet students, take the capital given in the trial balance, add net profit of both the department 1 and 2, 2,15,400. Add the net profit, you get 3,75,400. Deduct the drawings, so you get 3,55,400. Creditors, then BP, debtors, machinery, less depreciation, cash, building, less depreciation, closing stock, BR. So kindly work out this problem, students. So this is the 28th problem, students. From the following trial balance, prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31/12/18 and the balance sheet as on that date in the books of VM Limited. Stock on 1/1/18 is nothing but closing stock, opening stock will come in trading, purchases will come in trading, sales trading, wages trading, discount received will come in PL and it's an income to be distributed in purchase ratio. Capital will come in balance sheet, creditor balance sheet, then we have rent will come in PL, salary PL, lightning and heating will come in trading, discount allowed PL, advertisement PL, carriage inward will come in trading, furnitures and fittings is an asset balance sheet, plant and machinery balance sheet, data balance sheet, personal drawings balance sheet, cash in and balance sheet, cash at bank balance sheet. Following information is also provided. Rent, lighting and heating, salary and depreciation are to be apportioned to the departments A and B in the ratio of 2:1. So all these four expenses, rent, lighting, heating, number 3 salary, number 4 depreciation, these have to be distributed in 2:1. Other expenses and incomes are to be apportioned to the department A and B on suitable basis. The following adjustments are to be made. Rent prepaid 370. So it's a rent paid in advance. So advance rent is a rent paid for the next year. So next year's rent paid in the current year. So 370 is a rent that does not belong to the current year. It belongs to the next year. So 370 have to be deducted because it is not an expense of current year. It's an expense of next year. So 370 have to be deducted in the PL account. Why it should be deducted from the PL account? Because it is a rent of next year. It is not the rent of current year. So remove it. 370 deduct from rent. Lighting and heating outstanding 180, due unpaid. Depreciation on furniture and fittings and plant and machinery at 10%. It will come in PL account. Stock on 31/12/18 department A and B, they are given you separately. Students, the purchase ratio, purchases of A 9,800 and purchases of B 7,350. So you can't simplify this, students, so just cancel 1 0. So ratio will be 980 is to 735. I mean 980 divided by 1,715. And for B will be 735 divided by 1,715. How you got 1,715? 980 plus 375. Similarly, the sales of A 16,900 and B 13,520. So if you just cut off 1 0, you get 1,690 is to 1,352. This is the ratio. Students, take opening stock as it is, purchases as it is. Carriage inward to be distributed in purchase ratio, that's 980 is to 735. Then wages, take it as it is. Lighting and heating, students, given in the trial balance 420 plus given in the adjustment outstanding 180. So 420 is called paid, 180 is called unpaid. Paid, unpaid. Total expense comes to 600. So that lighting and heating distributing purchase ratio 400 and 200. Then sales take as it is, closing stock take as it is, total the trading account. You get gross profit of 2,440 and 3,030. Bring down that gross profit. Then distribute the discount received, students. The discount received have to be distributed in purchase ratio 980 is to 735. So you get 76 and 57. Rent 1870 minus 370. What is this 370? Prepaid rent. Why do you minus 370? Because it is a rent of next year. So since it is next year's rent, remove it, minus it. You get 1500 into 2:1 as mentioned in adjustment number 1. Salary distribute in 2:1. Discount allowed distribute in sales ratio. Advertisement sales ratio. Depreciate furniture. The cost of furniture 600 into 10%, you get 60. Distribute in 2:1 as mentioned in adjustment. Depreciate plant and machinery 4200 into 10%, you get 420. Distribute that in 2:1. So if you total students, for A, debit side total is more. For A, debit side total is more. So A get a loss of 339. For B, credit side total is more. So B gets a profit of 1463. So A get a loss and B get a profit. So students, capital 9530, add net profit 1124. So you get B's profit 1463 minus A's loss 339. B profit minus net profit 1124 less drawings. You get 9754. Creditors, then outstanding lighting and heating, unpaid is a liability. Furnitures and fittings less depreciation, plant and machinery less depreciation. Then students, you have debtor, cash, bank, closing stock of department A and B. If you add both the department closing stock, you get 5149. And prepaid rent is nothing but rent paid in advance. It's a current assets. Prepaid is an asset, so it comes in asset side 370. So total of the balance sheet is 13,671. So work out this problem, students. Any doubts, please contact me in the WhatsApp. Thank you.